Hey guys, it's Jenny! And today I am doing a very simple beginner's eyeshadow look for you. So if you feel like you are not great with applying shadow and such, this is just a really simple, easy, but beautiful look. And yeah, anybody can do it. So you know what? Let's just get into the video. Okay, so let's get into this super simple beginner guide to simple eyeshadow look. So today I'm going to be using the Profusion Naturals palette. You can use any natural, neutral palette you want. Anyone will work. So first you want to prime your eyes, and you don't need an expensive primer. I use a couple primers, but one that I get, this is $2. It's E.L.F. and it's eyeshadow primer. You can get it at Walmart, anywhere they sell E.L.F. It's only $2 and it works. So why spend an arm and a leg if you can get $2 eyeshadow primer that works? You know what I'm saying? That's how I feel. If I can get it for $2 and it works, I don't need to spend any more than that. And this works for me. I've been using it for years. So, yeah. So you just put that on your eyes. You take a little sponge and you just, pat it in. Make sure it's all nice and even. So that is the first step. If you want your shadows to last, be vibrant, show up better, always use an eye primer. Oh yeah. Okay, so now that that is done, let's get into the shadows. Okay, so all you need is one or two brushes. You don't even really need that many. This is really simple. I'm going to use a color that is not too dark. I'm going to use Zing right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that in the crease. Just blend that into the crease. Like so. And just do that. Blend it nicely so it blends out. No harsh edges. It's really easy to do with a fluffy brush. Depending on your taste, some people like light colors in the crease, some people like them a little deeper. I personally like it a little deeper, just, I don't know, it's just personal preference. And then you want to take that same color, put a little in your outer corner, just a little. Feather it in a little, like so. And of course, you're going to want to do the same thing to the other eye. If you find you're having a hard time blending, get a clean, fluffy brush, any clean, fluffy brush, and you just go over the edges with a clean brush just to like help with the blending out so there are no harsh edges. Just, because a clean brush will help blend that out. Okay, and now this, you could just leave it like this if you wanted to. I always prefer to go on the lid with a light color. I usually will go in with like a color like that, silky, and I'll just take a flat shadow brush and just put that on the lid, blend it into the brown a little. Just so it's nice and blended in, so it all looks, you know, nice. Just want it to look nice. It's really that simple, that easy. Next, I will go in and curl my lashes. I need to wipe off my eyelash curler because there's some shadow on it from another day. And I'll just go and do a quick eyelash curl. My eyelashes never stay curled. They don't like me. I don't know why. I curl them. They always fall, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Then you go in with a mascara. I'm using Believe Beauty Voluminize Mascara. Love this stuff. Use it every day. You don't even need eyeliner, guys. Just throw on mascara. It'll do the trick. You can use eyeliner if you want, but because this is for beginners, if you're really a beginner, you probably have not experimented with eyeliner yet. Ooh, so you just want to throw on some mascara. Like a so. Ooh, almost dropped it. That could have been bad, because then it would have got all over my clothes. I usually do 2 coats of mascara. Just because I like mine nice and coated. You don't have to. If you think 1 coat works for you, then you do 1 coat. Do whatever you think works best for you. See, my eyelashes are already falling. They don't stay curled. 'Cause they hate me, but I don't care. Okay, so there's the top. Now, you can leave it just like this if you want to. You don't have to put mascara or anything on the bottom. This looks super natural, just enough shadow to, you know, bring a little attention to the eyes. Like to make your, I don't know, get a little eye contact in there, people. But if you want to advance it just a little, you take the color, the Zing, the color that you used in the crease, and you just brush it a little bit underneath, just to give underneath a little dimension, a little color, a little something something. And just don't go like too dark. You don't want it like, you know, raccoon eye. Just enough to give it a little color down there. It just enhances the eyes a little more. Like so. And then you take mascara, or not, you don't have to. This doesn't look bad either. I prefer a little mascara on the bottom. I usually do 1 coat on the bottom. I don't like my bottom lashes too crazy. And a little coat. Just so you can see that I do have bottom lashes, because they're blonde. You cannot see them without mascara. Some of you don't have that problem. If you have dark lashes, you are blessed, because having light lashes sucks. Like so. And that is it. That right there. Simple eye look, just enough to give your eyes some definition. You know what I'm saying? It's really natural looking and, you know, simple. Simple, natural, beautiful. So that is it for this video. If you liked it, thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like I said before. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you see you don't have to be an expert to, you know, make yourself look good. Look, I mean, it's beautiful. Just enhances the eyes a little, just enough. And it was simple. So don't feel like you have to go all out and go crazy with shadow, because you really don't. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will tune in for future videos of mine. And I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!